Hey guys, so I got DLS 20 on my home screen. It's an amazing game. A lot of people have it installed on their phone, but mine's different. So I'm going to open it up, DLS 20, and I think there's an option to play it somewhere. Okay, there. So mine's crazy, because look, I've got amazing resources rising all the way to the top. Coins and gems, resources and golds. So as you can see, amazing hack. So you're probably like, whoa, 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 did you pay for these? Are they just coming in now? No, this is completely free, 100% legitimate. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So I'll show you right now how to get it. Let me just wait for them to get to like 10,000. Alright, so there we go. Now, you see I have an app on my home screen. It's called OG Apps, or OG App. And if I open it, you'll see amazing features. So if I open it, you're going to see, let me just give it a minute. There we go. Alright, so we got Video Star, Pokemon Go. These are like all the hacks you ever wanted but couldn't find. They're all in this app. So it's pretty insane. As you can see, I've got Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp. Those are all modded versions of those apps. But we're more focused on DLS 20, so let me try and find it. I think it's in the section called Most Popular Game Hacks, but as you can see, there's even a section for jailbreaking. Okay, there it is. It's in the section Most Popular Game Hacks, so if you want to hack your game, you go there. There's other features too. So I'm going to delete the app to show you how to get it. I have to delete it so I can do the process in the beginning. Delete, done. Alright, now we're going to head over to settings and make sure we have an option called background app refresh turned. I think it has to be turned on. So make sure it's turned on, guys. As you can see, I have it turned on. Make sure it's turned on. So yeah, set it to Wi-Fi and cellular data. So once that's done, you just go to Safari, and I already have it open, but you go to the website ogapps.co. So ogapps.co. There's the URL for anybody who's confused. And let me just look around. Okay, there it is. Download app. Right there in purple. So you press that. There's an option for Android users, but of course we want the share button for iPhone users because I'm on iPhone. So you press that, and you go all the way to the bottom, and there should be an option to add it to home screen. You press that, and then there's an option to add it somewhere. There it is. Add. Okay, we're done. Boom. That's all I had to do. 3 simple clicks, and we've got OG apps installed on our phone. So remember, guys, the website is simply ogapps.co. You go there and you install the app. So as you can see, there's amazing features and amazing hacks. Minecraft, VIP, Coin Master, 8-Ball Pool, Popcorn Time, and more. But of course, in this video, I showed you how to get DLS 20. So consider leaving a comment, liking, and subscribing if you want to see future tutorials on amazing features. Peace out.